Seriously, like, look at these mounds of snow here. Like, this is like 10 feet high. At least. Right? Ugh. Unbelievable. And we're getting another blizzard on Thursday. All right, honey. This is like Tuesday. And in 2 more days, we're getting another blizzard. Like, where are we going to put all this snow? It's crazy. I hate winter. I hate snow. Hate it. Well, at least the plow drivers did a pretty good job of cleaning up. Because when you get into the main roads here... Well, let's go down this way. Yeah. Let's see what a great job the plow drivers did. Can't go anywhere. Nope. Here we go. This is so wonderful. How are you guys feeling down in Miami, huh? How are you guys feeling down in Florida? How about waist deep snow? Like up to your freaking eyeballs. Look at this poor guy. Sorry. Shoveling. He saw me filming him. He was like, what the fuck you doing filming me, bitch? Oh my god. Just gotta go slow. That's it. I'm just gonna go slow. Ugh. Hate driving in this crap.